Hey guys, welcome to my 24th Python course. In this course, we're going to be working with these two built-in Python functions. So let's begin. So to begin to use the two built-in Python functions, we have their syntaxes like this, which is this any, which takes an iteration, and also this all, which probably takes an iteration also. So to begin with this, the their meaning is that this iteration, the element inside this iteration, if any of the element is true, then this is going to return true, otherwise false. And also this all, if all the element inside this iteration is true, then this is going to return true. If one of the elements is false, this is going to return false. So that's just how it works. So let's begin with some codes. So let's say that x is equal to an array like this, 1 and 0, and let me print any of x like this. So if I should run this code, I'm going to get true because 1 is true, but 0 is false. Even though this is 1, we're still going to get true because any of the element is true. So if this is all, in this case, okay, let me just leave it like this and print all of x like this. This is going to return true because all the elements inside x is true. So if I change this to 0 and run this code, I'm going to get false because all the element inside this list is not true. So let's check. If 0 print true like this, you can also do the same like this. Else print false. Now here we got false, which simply means that by default in Python, 0 is false. If I change this back to 1 and run this code, my output will be true. Now my output is true. So in Python, 1 probably means true, and also 0 means false. Other numbers also means true, I guess. If I should input something like 2 here, and let me run this code, my output will be true because these two numbers are true. So that is just what the function does. So let's try with other data types. So let's say that y is equal to a tuple like this, true, false, and 0. Then print any, then print all of y. So let me run this code. Now this is true and this is false. So which simply means that one of the elements inside this tuple is true, and this is it. For this all the elements are not true. So otherwise the output will be false, and this is it here. Let's try for dictionary. So let's say that z is equal to name like this, always appear, and also let's see that is good is equal to true. Now print all of z and print any of z like this. So if I should run this code, what do you think the output will be? The output will be true because these all and any probably check for only the keys, not the value. So if I should run this code, my output is true, which simply means that by default in Python, strings are true. So is good is true, and also name is true. You don't have to worry about this value. This all and any doesn't check for this value. It only cares about the keys. So if this is false, like this, and this is true, you don't have to worry about this value once again. So just worry about the key only. So if I should run this code, now I got false and true because this all these value are not true. These keys, false and name, only name that is true, false is false. But for any, name is true, false is false. So this is going to return true, otherwise false. So if they are both false, then the output will be false, false. Now the output is false, false. So any of the element is not true. Or let me just make this 0, since 0 in Python is false. Now the output will be the same thing, false, false. This is just all for this Python course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive new notifications.